Hello students, today in this video we will be discussing textual exercise of chapter number 1, that is the Indian subcontinent and history. All the answers are there in the explanation video as well as in the textbook. Answer the following in one sentence. First, what is history? You will get this answer on page number 1 in Geographical Conditions and History, second paragraph. Second, where do human settlements flourish? Kindly refer page number 2, first paragraph. Third, what do the people in the hilly region depend on for their food? You will get this answer on page number 1, last paragraph. Fourth, which is the earliest civilization in India? You will get this answer on page number 5 in the Indian subcontinent. Question number 2. Answer the following questions in short. First, what does human life depend on? You will get this answer on page number 1 in Geographical Conditions and History, second paragraph. 2. What features of our surroundings form the mean of our livelihood? You will get this answer on page number 2, first paragraph. Which region is known as the Indian subcontinent? You can get this answer on page number 5 in the Indian subcontinent. Question number 3. Give reasons. First, there is a close relation between history and geography. Kindly refer page number 1, second paragraph. 2. People are forced to leave their settlement. You will get this answer on page number 2, first paragraph. So students, you will have to write down all these answers in your notebook. Thank you. Now we will be discussing textual exercise of chapter number 2, that is sources of history. All the answers are there in the textbook as well as explanation video. Question number 1. Answer in one sentence. First, in the past, what materials were used for writing? You will get this answer on page number 7, point number 2.2, written sources, paragraph number 3. Second, what information is obtained from Vedic literature? You will get this answer on the page number 9, point number 2.4, sources of ancient Indian history, first paragraph. Third, which literature is preserved by oral tradition? You will get this answer on page number 8, point number 2.3, oral sources, first paragraph. Question number 2. Classify the following sources as material, written and oral sources. Below are the sum of the sources are given. You have to identify them and write down in correct column. For this, you can refer a chart given on page number 8. So student, you will have to write down all this question answer in your notebook. Thank you. In this video, we will be discussing textual exercise of civics, chapter number 1, Our Life in Society. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. You will will get all Philip's answer in your textbook. Also, you can refer the video for the same. Question number 2. Answer in one sentence. First, which are our basic needs? You will get this answer on page number 60, first paragraph. Second, whose company do we like? You will get this answer on page number 59, point number 1.1. Why did man feel the need for society? First paragraph. Third, what opportunities does society provide us with? You will get this answer on page number 60, point number 1.3, our development, second paragraph. Question number 3. What do you think? Answer in 2 or 3 sentences. First, how is a society formed? Kindly refer page number 60, point number 1.4. What is meant by society? Second, why is it necessary to set up a permanent system in society? You will get this answer on page number 61, first paragraph. Third, what makes life in society more stable and organized? You will get this answer on page number 59, point number 1.1. Why did man feel the need for society? So students, you will have to write down all these answers in your notebook. Thank you.